In this video lecture, I will explain comparison of pointers of the same type. We can compare the two pointers by using the comparison operator in C. We can implement this by using all operators in C. So we know that these are the comparison operator: greater than and equal to, less than and equal to, not equal to. So these are all comparison operator using which we can compare two pointers, and it returns true for the valid condition and return false for unsatisfied condition. So how we will do this? We'll initialize the integer values and point these integer values to the pointer and check the condition by using comparison or relational operator on pointer variables and display the output. So let's take one example. Here, this is the example to show the demonstration of comparison of pointers of same type. So this is the header file, and then we have inside main function we have declared three variable num1, num2 and num3. So we have num1, num2 and then num3. Okay, num1 it has 5 and num2 has value 6, num3 has value 5, and then we have taken the pointer variable p1, p2 and p3. So pointer variable p1 is pointing to num1 because the address of num1 is assigned to p1. Suppose the address is 1000, 2000 and 3000. So p1 is pointing to num1. Similarly, p2 is pointing to num2 and p3 is pointing to num3. So p1 is having address of num1, p2 is having address of num2 and p3 is having address of num3. Okay, and then what we are doing, we are comparing pointer variables. So p1, if star p1 is less than star p2, so when we want to compare the value, we have to always write star p1. Okay, because when we just say p1, so p1 means the address of num1, p2 means the address of num2, p3 means the address of num3. But when we want to compare the value stored at this address location, I need to write star p1, star p1, star p2 and star p3. So if star p1 less than star p2, so what is star p1? The value stored at this address location, that means 5, and star p2 means the value stored at address location 2000, that is 6. Okay, so when 5, obviously 5 less than 6, so the message will be printed percentile d means 5 less than 6, and then we are writing star p1 and star p2. So this is nothing but the value of num1 and num2. Then if star p2 is nothing but 6, the address stored at 2000. p1 means star p1 means value stored at address location 1000. So p2 means value stored at address location 2000, p1 means value stored at address location 1000. So definitely 6 is greater than 5. So this message will be printed 6 is greater than 5. And compare it, if this equal to operator means if it is equal. So p3 is nothing but the address stored at location 3000. So that is 5. And star p1 means the address value stored at address location 1000, that is 5. So both are same. So this message will be printed, both the values are equal. And if p3 star p3 means the value stored at address location 3000, that is 5, and star p2 means the value stored at address location 2000, so that is 6. So definitely these values are not same, so both the values are not equal. This message will be printed. So this will be the output. First one 5 less than 6, second one 6 greater than 5, both the values are equal and both the values are not equal. So you can see here 5 less than 6, 6 greater than 5, both the values are equal, both the values are not equal. So this will be the output of the following program. So hope you have understood the concept of comparison of pointers of same type. Thanks for watching.